Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of signing up for HBO Max so you can start watching your favorite shows and movies in no time. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the HBO Max website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the HBO Max official website at www.hbomax.com. You can also download the HBO Max app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using a mobile device or tablet. Step 2. Click on Sign In or Start Your Free Trial. On the homepage, you'll see options for signing in or starting a new subscription. If you're a new user, click on Start Your Free Trial. If you already have an account, you can sign in directly. Step 3. Choose your subscription plan. HBO Max offers different subscription plans. Select the plan that suits you best. You can choose between the ad-supported plan and the ad-free plan. Review the details and prices before making your choice. Step 4. Create your HBO Max account. If you're signing up for the first time, fill in the required information to create your account. This includes your email address, a strong password, and any other necessary information. Make sure to use an email you regularly check, as it will be used for important notifications. Step 5. Enter payment information. After creating your account, you'll need to enter your payment details. This typically includes your credit or debit card information. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding. Step 6. Review your order. Once you've entered your payment information, you'll have a chance to review your order. Make sure everything looks good, including your selected plan and billing details. Step 7. Confirm and start streaming. Finally, confirm your order, and you'll officially have access to HBO Max. You can now start exploring the extensive library of shows, movies, and exclusive content available on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy your HBO Max experience.